Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of AUD daily time frame. Now I want to show you here the days and the monetary policy announcements of the Australian dollar and JPY, Bank of Japan and Reserve Bank of Australia. Now first of all, this is the day that is 6th June. This is 6th June, and this was the day when RBA raised interest rate 25 basis points. This is the day. After this day, this directly after breaking these levels went up to this high. Now I want to show you that also. This is the 6th June. At its meeting today, the board decided to increase the cash rate target by 25 basis points to 4.10%. It also increased the interest rate paid on exchange settlement balances by the 25 basis points to 4.01. So this was the day, and this was not forecasted, but they raised the rates. Now let us move once again to the chart. Here we see that it went up to this high, then came down, and this was the day, 4th July. 4th July, when RBA, Reserve Bank of Australia, did not raise rates. Then it came down to this level, went up and then came down. Now this was the 4th July. I want to show you this also. This not, but this is the 4th July. On the 4th July, let us read this once. At its meeting today, the board decided to leave the cash rate target unchanged at 4.01% and the interest rate paid on exchange rate settlement basis unchanged at 4.00%. They did not change the interest rate. So once again, we are watching the chart. What happened now? Let us watch this. This is the day for July when RBA did not raise the rates. It came up to this level, went up and came up to this level. We will discuss more on these levels. What kind of support is this? Now, when it came here, why it went up? What was the day? It is the day 28th July 2023. Bank of Japan continued negative interest rate and quantitative easing. Same. Now we are going to watch that also. What did the which is the monetary policy of the Bank of Japan at the monetary policy meeting held today? What the July 23 outlook for economic activity and prices outlook report shows that sustainable and stable achievement of the price stability target of 2% accompanied by wage increases has not yet come in sight, and thus the bank needs to patiently continue with monetary easing under quantitative and qualitative monetary easing with yield curve control. It means they are still they are not tightening the so JPY will depreciate. They are supplying money in the market. Still, they are supplying. They are not taking back to increasing the interest rate. Even they are not uh, ending the quantitative easing. So, what happened? That now let us move to the once again to the chart. Here, watch here. This is the 28th July, and how it has been rejected to the upward after this decision of the Bank of Japan. Now what happens? Now the most important day is 1st August 2023, when RBA is going to decide the interest rate. Previous is 4.10 and forecast is 4.35. And let us watch once again on the investing.com to confirm. Now this is the Tuesday, August 1st, 2023. Reserve Bank of Australia uh, decides for interest rate 11 times in a year, every first Tuesday of the month, except January. They do not meet January. Now this is the Tuesday, August 1st, 2023, and now we are going to watch. This is the news at 9:30. RBA, I have settled here. I think this is Pakistan time. RBI enters this decision. Previous is 4.10% and forecast is 4.35%. Now, after watching all these things, once again let us move to the chart. Now, this is the news. Now, tomorrow is 31st July. So, the news is expected on the uh, day after tomorrow. So, as this is a very important news, so and it is high probability that the rate will be increased. It is high probability, but it is if it goes against the forecast, what will happen? Now, first of all, if we consider the same previous 4.10, from here it went up to this level. Here it was not increased, came down to reach this level. But Bank of Japan is still very dovish. So this was rejected on the news of the Bank of Japan. Now let us watch this all these things on the levels. Now I will have to remove all this. I have really worked hard to set these things, but once again I will have to remove these things to make it clear for you to understanding the levels. Now I am removing all this. Now removing, because without this we will have be some, it will not, the levels will not be clear to understand. Now we have to clear all this. It really has taken some time for me to write, type and adjust these things. Now this is the level. Now let us move on the weekly time frame and watch these levels. Now what a excellent level is this. Watch here. This level has been support for many weeks. Here it was support, here it was support, here it was support. And again, for many weeks, it was resistance here. This was resistance here. It was broken at this level. So this is a strong support on the weekly time frame. And now let us move to the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, this is the level. Watch here. Very important level, very strong level. Support, resistance, broken, again retested. So this is the retest of this level. As this, from here it went up to this level, so it needed some retracement also, because from this level to this level, this is a big move, so it needed retracement, so it has been rejected. But now we will have to watch the 4-hour time frame, though it will be decided on the 1st August about the very important news, but now we are deciding on the level sides. Watch here. Now on the 4-hour time frame, do we expect to buy from this level and stop loss be down at this level? Now let me put the horizontal line. I think this is the in the 4 hour time frame. Let us move to the 1 hour time frame also. On the 1 hour time frame, yes, this is a good level. Now this is the entry for buy, and this under this is the stop loss. Now let us move to the daily time frame once again. Now here, watch here, previously this was also a support. So this is the entry and this is the stop loss. Now let me put the uh, long position here. This is the entry, and here is the stop loss. We have the entry at 19 time, oh sorry, we have entry at 93.2330 and stop loss below 91.789. Now let us move and watch the take profit options. Now for take profit options, if the interest rate is increased, this level will be broken. I even think that this level will also be broken. If interest rate is increased up to this level, but if it remains same, still we have technically and policy wise, this is expected to go up, but still this is a market, we can't say anything with confirmation. But if the interest rate is raised, then it is expected that this level also be broken. Now where we have the options to take profit, even up to this level, if the interest rate increased, then up to this level there is the possibility of take profit. Now let me put the other take profit options also. Here is also, this is entry. So if someone who is here, is also the take profit option, here is the take profit option, here is the take profit option, and here, if you want to put one more, then here. Now let me adjust it somewhere here. Like my video, subscribe my channel, and please let me know in the comments what do you think of this pair and of these policies. And please appreciate my work. I'm working very hard. I'm trying my best to produce the good content. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.